Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can delete a Shopify store. Currently you can see that I am on my Shopify dashboard. On the left and bottom side you will see a settings option. Just click on this and then you will see plan option here. Click here and from here you will see a button deactivate store. Just click on this and it will ask you reason that why you are closing your store. You can provide this reason, and from here it is asking another question that what has been most difficult in setting up your store. You can provide this is an optional question. Next you have to click on continue, and here maybe it will ask you for your store password, because I have created this store directly with my Google authentication, so it is not asking me that. But if your store is created via email and password, then maybe it can ask you for a password. And then in the last you have to click on deactivate store. Make sure to take backup of your important files like images, product images, your themes, and something like this. Just click on the button. I'm not going to click on that because I don't want to deactivate, because I have to record more tutorials for you. But you just have to click on this button to deactivate your store. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And finally, thanks for watching.